Polar Bear is Panel Claw's mounting system designed specifically for commercial flat roofs. It provides protection from long-term roof damage, accelerates construction, and ensures system reliability. Polar Bear provides a low-array platform load developed through years of ongoing wind tunnel testing, finite element analysis, and advanced seismic modeling. Polar Bear is made up of three components: the support, the ballast tray, and the claw. The easy-to-handle supports weigh less than 2.5 pounds, reducing packaging size and enabling fewer trips to lay out the system array. Each support has integrated recycled rubber roof protection pads. They eliminate the potential labor and cost of using roof slip sheets and allow for free water flow. They include pre-drilled holes for flexible wire management and pre-installed bolts to quickly mount ballast trays. Our standard support is used in the majority of the layout, but we also provide a dedicated north row and south row support to maximize module density and provide clean array edges. The ballast tray provides wind deflection and more securely holds ballast blocks. Blocks are better held in place with a locking end tab, a reclined mounting position, and angled sides. Chamfered corners and hemmed edges prevent wiring from being cut or frayed. The claw is compatible with all major module brands. It attaches to standard module mounting holes and provides full electrical bonding. Polar Bear is compatible with several wire management solutions. Panel Claw provides mounting holes on the supports for easy installation, and we offer several types of mechanical roof attachments. Now, let's look at how to install the Polar Bear system. Step 1. Attach claws to module. Using the stainless steel nut and bolt, attach the claw through the module mounting hole. Press the claw firmly against the frame and use a torque wrench to tighten. Now, add the other three claws. This is also a good time to prep module wires for connection. Step 2. Build the southern row, referring to the Panel Claw array layout drawing. It provides an overview of the array and specific dimensions between supports. Determine the location of the array's southern edge and chalk a line from east to west. Then mark the north-south line in order to accurately align the roof pads. Next, take the standard support and insert it into the south support. Create 2 assembly supports per module for the south row. From the southwest corner, place the first supports along the east-west chalk line, placing each pair approximately at the center of each module. Loosely attach a short and long ballast tray together by inserting 2 ballast tray bolts through the slots and into the pre-installed riv nuts. Lay the ballast trays on the supports, with the short ballast tray in the corner of the array. Use the Panel Claw provided spacer stick to set the distance between the second and third supports under the long ballast tray. Visually center the tray, then insert a ballast tray bolt into both supports. Hand tighten and torque. Next, use the spacer stick to set the distance between the first 2 supports. Insert a ballast tray bolt into the first support. Hand tighten and torque, then torque the bolted connection between the ballast trays. Continue adding long trays until you reach the end of the row, finishing with a short tray, and add the required ballast blocks per the layout drawing. Step 3. Add modules and ballast trays. Place the first module on the lower end of the support, lining up the claws to the mounting holes. Insert bolts and finger tighten. Repeat for the high side connections. Attach the rest of the modules for this row, then torque all module connections. Next, hang long ballast trays on the pre-installed bolts. Use the Panel Claw provided spacer stick to set the distance between supports holding long trays. Center the trays between modules. Then, fasten ballast tray nuts to pre-installed bolts. Hand tighten and torque. Finish the row by adding a short ballast tray to each end. Add the required ballast blocks per the layout drawing, and this is a good time to complete module-to-module wiring. Step 4. Install array row by row. Place 2 standard supports per module down the row. Then install modules as before. Similarly, ballast trays are installed to the rear of the supports, and again add the ballast blocks. On the most northern row, use the north supports to secure the high side of the modules. This completes array construction. Finally, ground modules and the polar bear mounting system using the designated ground hole located on the ballast tray. PanelClaw's commitment to partnership, service, and reliability ensures that our mounting solutions deliver the lowest lifecycle costs. We welcome the opportunity to build a long-lasting partnership with you.